Bitcoin mining. Most people think it's expensive, noisy, and complicated, something only the rich or tech-savvy can do. But I've been mining Bitcoin every single day for over 2 years, with no hardware, no noise, and no power cables. That's what GoMining does. And here's how it works, why it works, and why I still use it today. GoMining is a cloud mining platform. Instead of buying physical machines, you buy digital miners, NFTs backed by real hardware in GoMining's data centers. They do the mining, and you get the Bitcoin. Here's how it works. First, you buy an NFT miner. Each miner has a set amount of hash power and an energy efficiency rating. The better the efficiency, the more profitable it is. Next, GoMining connects your digital miner to real mining hardware. They handle everything, the machines, the electricity, and the maintenance. Then, you get daily Bitcoin payouts sent directly to your GoMining wallet. You do pay for the electricity your miner uses, but here's the trick. If you pay with GoMining's GMT token, you can get up to 50% off your energy fees. That means more profit in your pocket every day. Even better, you can reinvest your daily rewards to buy more GMT or increase your hash power, growing your earnings over time and compounding your miner's performance. Now, why do I use GoMining? Because electricity in my country is insanely expensive, and mining at home just doesn't make sense. Because digital miners can't break, no repairs, no overheating, no stress. Because it's passive income. I literally wake up, check my wallet, and see Bitcoin added every day. Because I can sell my miners anytime on the marketplace. And because I can scale up by reinvesting what I earn. Even if you start small, you can build up over time. GoMining kept paying even during the bear market. For me, this isn't hype. It's real, long-term, passive income. So if you're starting out, here's what I recommend. Get a miner with good efficiency. Pay energy with GMT for the best discount. Reinvest to grow your miner's power. Track your returns and scale up when you're ready. That's GoMining. No noise, no stress, just Bitcoin every day. It works for me, and it can work for you too.